Hey, what's up, Zilliqa Holders? This is live price prediction. Don't miss this video, otherwise you completely lost my brother. You can see here, Zilliqa is completely falls down in the current time, and one of the Zilliqa stable coin of this time in the crypto coins. I think this is short fail, so don't see this short fail. Absolutely, after decade this coin. I hope in upcoming time they will move upward. So let's see. But kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, as you can see this time in the chart result is completely going to show you to this is in the positive. You can see here Zilliqa change occurred just in only in the last 7 days. 16.08% moving upward, increasing. As you can see here this time 0.153155 USD dollar is the latest price, so it's mean to the price will be increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. And absolutely after a jump they fails down, and after a fail they take a very huge jump. So it's mean to after this point I hope in upcoming time they will move upward, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now, just only at the end of month. So if we check out the last 1 hour chart, then exactly we understand whether to upcoming time can there is a chance to them moving upward or not. So you can say whether absolutely after a short, you can say the last 1 hour of dead minus 1.03% fails down. So absolutely after this fails they also take a very huge jump. It's 100% sure, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time they will moving upward very fastly now. So holders, please like this video and subscribe this channel, because I predicate this coin for you, my brother, as a brother. And remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, my brother. So kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.